Hi guys, welcome back to Chilla's Crafting Space. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys an update of my last wreath tutorial I was showing you guys. So on the last video, I showed you guys how I made this black deco mesh wreath. As you can see, I already added the flowers and the sign I was telling you guys about. So I also added another layer of the black mesh, so it looks a little bit fuller. I don't know if you can notice that from the previous video. I added a little bit more of the mesh here all around, and well, the sign, I already added the sign, so I tied the sign using this chenille, and I just made a pattern with the flowers. Well, I try to arrange them in a pattern. I started from this side. So what I did is I tied it a little bit with the chenille, and then I added some hot glue. So I did the hot glue and I tied it as well, just to keep it extra secure. And then so I did the black rose, I added the blue, and then here I did the purple and the blue. I have more blues than the purple and black, so I had to kind of alternate the blue roses all around. So here, as you can see, there's the blue and the black. So I try to leave spaces in between so I can add the black roses. So you can see this is the black rose, and then there's the purple and the blue, and there's another black one. So I don't have a lot of the black ones, it's maybe 6. I ended up gluing 2 black roses right here, and I just added a purple one right there. And this one, I think it's missing the flower, the black flower. So I just added the leaves, and then I just added the small blue roses. And these flowers, you can find them at Hobby Lobby, except the black ones. I got those ones from Michael's. And so this is Hobby Lobby, and the deco mesh, I also got it from Hobby Lobby. Just remember, if you want to get it for a better deal, try to get the deco mesh when it's 50% off, which is every other week, and the same with the flowers, it's every other week. So this sign, I got it from Amazon. As you can see here, I believe it's around $12. Cannot remember. It's a very good quality as well, and it's pretty much the end result of this wreath we were working on. And I hope you guys like this video. I know it's a really short video, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I know a lot of you guys might not follow me on social media and don't see updates of my work, so I just wanted to do this quick video just to give you guys like a part 2 of my wreath I was working on. I'll just put it down here so you can see. So here you can get a better look. I have a lot of mess here in my craft room because I am working on a large, it's for a business, so I'm making a large, here it is, garland. So it's a black garland. It's similar to the Christmas garlands, but this one is black, and I added deco mesh. So as you can see, I added deco mesh, and this is going to be the base of the garland. So this one measures 9 feet, and I have 3 of those. So that took a while. It took me about 3 days to do all the deco mesh because I just do it in between work and taking care of the house and everything. Here is another one, and I will be adding this goes to the garland. So you can see they have different sizes. So this smaller, and I have bags of those. I don't think I'll be doing a tutorial, but I can give you guys an update. I can make another quick video just to show you guys. So this ones I got them from Joann's. And this one, the black garland, in case you're interested, I got it from, it's the Christmas Central, I believe it's called. It's a website, online store. And I added the mesh. And I'll be adding those skulls, and also I'll be adding pumpkins. So I'll be spray painting pumpkins gold color and the white. I'm not spray painting the white pumpkins, they're white already. So it will be like half gold, half white pumpkins, and then this goes right here. So I'll give you guys an update once I finish that. Probably take me a couple days because I do need to spray paint outside, and it's been raining here, so I just need to wait when it's not raining to go work outside. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.